Finding unknown lengths using surface area. In some situations, we'll have an area, but we'll need to calculate some unknown length or unknown side of a shape. So here we have an example of some requirements on a residential lot. We're told that it has to be 1,110 square meters, so that's an area, and we're told that the minimum width is 18 meters. And so the question is, how long would a lot be to meet this minimum standard? So we're told the area of the lot, 1,110 square meters, and it has to be 18 wide. So we have this rectangular lot with a total surface area. We're told that the width is 18 meters. So can we find the length? Well, we'll start with the area formula for a rectangle. It's going to be length times width. And I know the area is 1,110. And I don't know the length, but I do know the width is 18. And so we have to do a little bit of algebra. And if 1,110 is equal to length times 18, I can divide each side by 18 and get that the length is equal to 1,110 divided by 18. That's 61 point, I'll round to one decimal place, 61.7 meters long. So here we're told that a regulation basketball has a surface area of 1,849 square centimeters. And we want to know what is the radius of a regulation basketball. Well, we'll start again by finding the appropriate formula. So the basketball is a sphere, and the surface area formula for a sphere is 4 pi r squared. Let's write in those elements that we know. Well, we know the surface area is 1,849. And then we have 4 pi times r squared. And r squared is our unknown. So to find r squared, we're going to have to divide by first 4 pi on each side. And that'll leave us with just r squared on the right-hand side. And so to do 1,849, you can divide it by 4 times pi together, or you can divide it by 4 and then divide it by pi. So you should get 147.14 on the left-hand side. And now we have r squared is equal to that number. And so to get rid of a squared, we have to take a square root. That's going to leave us with just the radius. So then the radius of the ball is going to be the square root of 147.14 for a total of 12.1 centimeters. Because the surface area was originally in centimeters, whatever length we calculate out, the surface area is in square centimeters, whatever length we calculate out, that's going to be in just plain centimeters.